Hello everybody! I'm very excited today because today we are reviewing and unboxing a wig gifted to me by the very lovely Asashair. I'm really excited to be reviewing this wig and also unboxing it. And a huge thank you to them for gifting this lovely kind of package to me. As you can see, it's boxed like super cute. Their wigs are super affordable and just like so pretty. I cannot wait to go and try this on and show you guys everything we got in here. So let's get started. Okay, so first off we have the wig. I ordered a light brown wig with some waves in it and bangs, which I will be linking below if anybody wants to check it out after I try it on. And we also got a couple of goodies in here. We got a little wig cap. This is like the mesh kind of one, which is really nice. Always could use more of these. It's really appreciated. I also got this really cute hairbrush, or a wig brush, which is definitely an essential if you ever use wigs. Alright, now that we've gotten kind of a good look of what's in the package, I am going to go ahead and try the wig on and we'll see how it looks. So let's go. It's packaged really nicely, but I like that it comes with a hairnet to protect the wig and then some paper to keep the shape. And I always love these because these little hair nets, I always reuse them to store my wigs so they don't tangle. And inside the wig there is some little adjusters so you can kind of adjust the size. So that's what it looks like inside. Alright, and here's what the wig looks like on. This fits like really well for my head. I have a bit of a smaller head, so shopping at some like American-based like wig shops can sometimes be difficult because the wig will kind of slide off and that's not going to be sliding back, but this feels like it fits really well without being too tight. And there are like little adjusters in the back if you're worried about that. So yeah, the bangs are, I have them kind of parted like this because that's, I don't know, I think it looks cute. But the bangs are nice. Like they're not like super thick, which I've had to deal with before for some bangs. They're just kind of like a nice natural thickness. And yeah, they're blunt cut, but you could have like a side swept kind of thing like I have here, or do them like that. I may have to trim them though if I want like a blunt kind of look across the top. But yeah, this is such a cute wig. I love it. It is so soft. I'd say the softness is comparable to if you've gotten any wigs from Epic Cosplay Wigs before, or Arta Wigs Silky line. If you're a cosplayer, you probably are familiar with those brands. But it's a very similar kind of fiber, very like a little bit thicker, very like soft and shiny, but not in a natural way. I am shooting this under a little bit of like a cloudy natural light and then also using a ring light just to get kind of idea of how it looks under different lightings. So here's how it looks under my ring light and a little bit of natural sunlight. And this is how it looks with natural sunlight and just my room overhead light on. It has just like the right amount of kind of curl and waviness to it, which I really love. I just put this on, but it doesn't seem to be shedding or anything, which is really nice because I know it can sometimes be a problem for wigs. I feel like this is like thick without being like overly thick. Like, oh my gosh, like I can't wear this. It's too it's too big and bulky kind of thick. It just looks super natural, which I love. But I also feel like it's thick enough to where if you wanted to like even put it back into like a low ponytail in the back or maybe even low pigtails in the front, that'd be so cute. You could totally do that. A lot of styling options here. There's a little middle part right here if you can see for the bangs. So yeah, oh my gosh, I love this wig. But yeah, it's so soft, so shiny. It looks super like natural and just very beautiful. The only thing I would probably note with this wig is that it's a little bit darker than it looks online, but that also is due to different kind of lighting and, you know, studio lighting versus like natural lighting. So definitely just keep that in mind. I would definitely say this wig is like a dark to medium brown if you're looking at purchasing it. This wig was only around $20, which is an amazing deal for the quality.
If you want to save even more money, they also have a deal going on where if you buy 2 wigs, you can get the third for free and a cashback rewards event, which I will link both of those in the description below.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to Asashair for gifting me this wig and giving me this opportunity. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments about this wig or just wigs in general, that kind of stuff, be sure to let me know. Bye, everybody.